Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to send Bitcoin and Kraken app. So we are going to use Bitvavo and Kraken. So the first thing you'll need to do is you have to open your Kraken app. Then once you're here, your account, go to your portfolio. And then right here, as you can see, I own about maybe 9 euros in Bitcoin. Now I want to transfer this to other exchange. So all you have to do is to click on your Bitcoin right here. Now click on the three dots at the top right of your screen and then click on withdrawal. Now here you need to select a network that it says in the other exchange. So I'll show you how to see this. So first open up the other exchange. Then go to Bitcoin and then make sure you come into deposit. Here you can see the network that you can choose. So for me, it's the Bitcoin network. Then click continue and it will say this asset uses the Bitcoin network. So I'm going to click on understood. Then right here, you have your Bitcoin address and with the network of Bitcoin. So I'm going to copy my Bitcoin address right now and then go back to Kraken. Then right here, as you can see, I can either choose the Bitcoin or the Lightning network. So as we just saw, the other exchange uses the Bitcoin network. That means we need to use the Bitcoin network here as well. So I'm going to click on the Bitcoin, then right here, choose how much you want to send. So I'll just do all of the Bitcoin I have on this account and then click on the withdraw to. And then you can add a new address. So for me, it will ask if you allow paste. If it doesn't, just paste it manually. So just paste it right here and then click on and next. So right here, you can add a description or a name for this address. So I'm just going to type out here Bitvavo since that's the name of the other exchange. Then click on next. And then make sure this is all correct and click on save and continue. Then you can confirm the Bitcoin address with your Gmail account. So you just have to open your Gmail or email and you have to confirm your new email withdrawal address. So click on confirm address and then you can see the address is now approved. So I'm going to go back into the app. So now you can click on the review and make sure that all of the information that are here are correct. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.